Welcome back to Anything That Moves. I'm Miss Moneymaker. I wanted to get into Intel. All right. Intel reported the earnings. Okay. So this is the chart. This is the daily chart. So we all know Intel's been having a problem. It's been struggling with the earnings. Okay. So the earnings per share, it beat. So it did well with that, but the revenue missed. So this is what it looks like right here. But let me show you something else. Let's just move over to after the earnings, it sold off hard. Okay, it gapped down. So we're down here. All right, so we are down here. When things gap down, sometimes maybe you want to just give it a minute to settle down because we've been dropping hard. So even on the daily though, it seems like, oh yeah, maybe we're curling up and we'll go. But will we drop even further? So that's something you want to just take into account. I want to show you Intel on another chart here. Alrighty. So you see here where I drew this line here? All right. So will we continue to come down to this area? Okay. This area is, let me just, all right, $32.30. So will we drop and hit that and bounce? Because after this earnings and it's selling off hard. So, just be careful, wait and see. And if it doesn't stop there, will it go further down to is it going to go to this level? So down in here, mid 20s, or will we end up going all the way back down here? Where is that? $25. So just be careful with Intel. I just wanted to go over that real quick. Let's see what else they're saying about Intel. So for the year, we see that Intel, okay, we're only up 20% for the year. This is Intel for the year. Okay, so this is what's happening. Okay, Intel sinks as NVIDIA pops, right? So just some news here. By the way, CEO is Patrick. Okay, just in case everybody want to know. Headquarters in California. Okay, these are the related stocks. So how is NVIDIA doing? This is the competition, AMD, Microsoft, Apple. So, now, it's some big competition there. Let's see Intel on tip ranks here. So here it says outperform. So it has some stuff going for it. Yeah, but that earnings wasn't good. Okay, it wasn't good. All right. This is Finviz. So this is the numbers. All right. And so now here, right here, this is where the earnings, the earnings was okay, as in the earnings per share, that beat, but remember the revenue, they missed. So that's why it dropped hard. So I just wanted to show you that. We're going to move on to another stock. Let's move on over to Gilead. All right, so here's Gilead. So good news with Gilead, for the earnings, okay, earnings came out for them. So for the earnings, they beat. For the revenue, they beat. So that's good and good both times. So you can see here in the aftermarket, they popped up, but look, they settled back down already. All right, so let's just look at it on the year time frame. See, now on the year time frame, Gilead is still, this is the struggle is real. Okay, the struggle is real. Let me show it to you on another chart. Let's just back up here. Okay, so this one may be easier for people to look at. All right, so here we are. We're down here. So let me get my little highlighter. We're at around 65. Okay, $65. Are we going to go further down? Right? This level here, where are we stopping? It's a lot of room in here. So is the buy zone around here, right? Because it's dropping so hard. But since it beat, will it slow down it's falling like a knife, right? Will it slow down and start to curve upward? All right. Give it some time. So now for me, okay. Look, it's been going down since, when is this? January. It's been going down. When we look at just go over here. When we look at the year, for the year, I mean, come on. We're down, we're down 22%. All right. So when we're saying that we're down 22%, I see here that is saying outperform everybody who let me just draw this. I see it says outperform. So I guess, fundamentally the stock is great. They beat on the earnings and they beat on the revenue, but as in making money, that's what I'm here for, right? Okay. There's a lot of red in here. There's a lot of red. There's a little bit green here, but it's a lot of red. I'm here for people to make money. I'm Miss Moneymaker. So you would have to wait for this to slow down and start to curve upward again. So for me, when I look at this, okay, we're below this green line, this one and this one. We're below all the moving averages, the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200 moving average. For me, I wouldn't want to talk about it until I'm above that. And then, so I would buy, let's say, maybe around here. If I was into this, I'm not. And then sell around here. So what? That's a 9% move. Okay, look in the little box. You see the third line in that little box that's shown? It says 9.76%. Okay, so I can make 9.76% on this, when it happens. When it happens, if it happens, blah, blah, blah. So now for everybody who wants to buy now, so if you bought, let's say you wait for it to level off around here, and then we came back around to this level, right? See, look in the box, the third line in that box, 23%, okay? 23.64%. If you went all the way back up here, 29%, okay? So just wanted to, bring that to your attention. So that's Gilead, all right? Okay, let's move on to the next stock. Let's just get into Roku right now. Roku. Okay. This is interesting. Roku is very interesting. Alrighty. So this is what we look at. This is on the daily. Let's just, for a minute, this is what happened after the earnings call, right? Okay. It shot up, but then it came back down and it leveled off. All right. Okay. A little interesting. Let's just see what's happening. Okay. So Roku's down here and it looks like it has a little bit of a base, right? Okay. I like when something has a base. Let's just go back to the daily, because let's just say if you wanted to buy around here, let's say around here, let's just get a little bit above this line at least. All right. To go to this level. Okay. You see the third line in the box? That's 43%, 43.71%. That's how much you would make. Right? That's the percentage. If you go up higher, you held it kind of like up to here, almost to the high of $108. If you just held to here, look at the line in that box, that floating box, see the floating box right there? That's moving. Okay. Third line, 57% or so. Okay. Interesting. All right. So what is happening with Roku? Let's talk about it. This is Roku on another chart. Sometimes people like to see this one. It's easier for them to see. Remember, Roku used to be up here. So will it go again? Let's just look at some other data. So for the year, on the year, we're only up with all that drama, 11% for the past year. Okay. This is for the year. We're going to keep moving on. We're going to keep moving. Let's just keep it. Okay. Roku stock is up nearly 50% in 2023, but, some struggles here, right? Let's see here. Okay, because the earnings. All right, so the earnings, usually, see how this is 0 and everything is negative, right? But when I click this little area here, okay, hold on. Now, this is earnings. This part here is revenue. Let me switch that to green, okay? When I click over here, let's see what's going to happen. Revenue. Boom. Look at that, nicely up. Nicely up. Okay? So this is what I saw. Roku. Forecast second quarter revenue at. Okay, that's a little bit of change, right? All right. Average estimate of this amount. So it's above the analyst's average estimate. They thought, okay, it'll probably come in like this, but yeah, no, we're coming in like this. We're coming in hot. Okay. But the thing is, this is the thing though. You saw how we have all these other numbers here. This is the past, by the way. Okay, this is the past. This is not, okay. So for right now, this is 2024, second quarter 2024. Okay, we have the earnings, but where's the revenue numbers and stuff? Where's the where's all the we're missing a little bit of data. All the Roku numbers are not in. Okay, but anyway, the earnings is up and it's great. That's nice, but all the numbers are not in. So I don't know. So anyway, just wanted to show you Roku. We're gonna keep moving on because the video is long. All right. Tesla. Let's talk about it. Okay, so everybody, Tesla had their earnings report a couple days ago. All right, on the 23rd, April 23rd. So it's not looking so good. They missed on the earnings and they missed on the revenue. All right, so we're still, we're still. It's like, even though the stock it went up recently, but it's still, choppy waters because we have like all of this information going on here. Where is it? Okay, hold on. Well, of course, I mean, you see that this person is selling, just a couple of million, 181 million worth of the stock. All right. So did it bottom? Okay. So is it going to go up huge? Well, Tesla has a following. We all know that. Okay. But then, they laid off people. That was a problem. It was a problem about the pay package for Elon. So, there's a lot of it's drama. Tesla drama, but, Tesla people are used to the Tesla drama. But the problem is, too, is that for the year, we're only up 10% for the year. I mean, look, so a year ago, you were around here, and now you're kind of back. You're only a 10% move. I hope some people took profits when you were up here, okay? So hopefully this will ride back up again into the sunset, all righty? Let's look at how does Tesla look overall. Tip ranks is only giving it a neutral, like a 6. There's some stocks that are a 10. So we just have to be careful, but Tesla does move. I trade Tesla. I just traded Tesla yesterday and made money on Tesla moving. So that's as an intraday day trader, I traded it. So, and I have some shares that I was buying as it was dropping for my long-term portfolio, right? When I say long-term, I don't mean riding it out into the sunset. I mean, when I say that, let me just show you a chart here. Okay, I know this kind of looks crazy to some people. When I say that, I'm saying, okay, getting it around here and riding it here and selling some and then coming up here again. So let's just say I bought some Tesla down here, okay, because let's say we base out. We could base out here at $100. We know it could drop there, but let's say it doesn't. Let's say if we base out around, around here at a $166, and then I ride it up to this line. Okay, look in the little floating box I have, right? The third line, 59%. I'll take 59%. That's fine. I'll take that profit, right? Because I've done it before. I'll take it. I'll take it again. If we go up here to this, around to this level, because look, I'm looking at this area here, okay? So if I go up and I hold to around this level, I'm not trying to catch the tops. That third box, 116%. So, why not? Why not? So it's some things, Tesla can do. But you see, we've had this downdraft move, so we just got to be careful. Hopefully we base out. I'm not saying we will, but so this is, the moves that we can do if we, this is on the daily time frame. So Tesla's having a little bit of struggle. It missed on the earnings. It missed on the revenue. I wanted to just show you that. Let's just hold on for a minute. Before ending the video, I wanted to leave us with a little bit of eye candy here. Something sexy, right? Something like a little bit sexy. This is MOD. This is looking sexy to me. Okay? I like the look. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Did anybody's heart stop for a second? Did you stop breathing a little bit? Look at this upward trend, people. This is great. This is not even having to do anything with earnings, okay? The earnings are going to be reported in May, okay? So May 22nd. So inspirational right there. I like that. So I want to leave you with this quote by Edward Butler. One man has enthusiasm for 30 days. Another man has it for 30 minutes. Another man has it for 30 days. But it is the man, and I'm going to say the man or woman, who has it for 30 years who makes a success in life. Okay, so you got to keep your motivation going. Stay on your work balance successful life grind. Okay, I'm not saying kill yourself, but you have to stay consistent and you have to keep going. You got to keep showing up, keep putting in the effort. Clearly, this stock is. Alrighty, I'll see you next time on anything that moves. Bye for now.